Today I'm going to go over how to change out a reverse bulb, this guy on a Toyota Corolla. This is a 2024 model, but I think it's the same for quite a few other ones. So first of all, you just pry this back. There's the bulb right there. Twist counterclockwise, boom. You'll feel a click, it'll turn a couple degrees. There's the bulb. Whenever you're doing this, always use rubber gloves. You pop the bulb out. Now sometimes these bulbs can be directional, so if you put it in and it doesn't work, just flip it 180 degrees and see if that's the issue. If that doesn't work, then there could be an issue with a fuse or something else further down the line, but usually these are pretty straightforward. Then this guy tucks back in here. Find the little spot where it likes to sit. There we go. Twist and till it pops in there. You'll hear that click, and that's how you change a reverse bulb. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.